Okay, so I'm making a no-sew face mask. So first you take some fabric. Oh, you need fabric, a balloon, animal balloon, and scissors. So first, with the fabric, you take your scissors and make a rectangle that will cover your mouth and nose. So a really big rectangle. And then when you're done cutting the rectangle, you're going to want to make the edges of the rectangle round so they look like they're really, like, make them look like they're shaped like a circle. Do that on all of the sides of it. Okay. So when you're done rounding all the edges, you are going to fold this in half so it'll look like that. And then on both sides of it, on both sides of the folded shape, you're going to want to cut 2 little circles on each side. So it'll be like this, and there's 2 holes. Okay. So after you're done cutting through that stuff, you are going to want to cut off any excess fabric that you have. And then you're going to want to take one of the balloons, and you are going to want to tie knots. Tie knots in the hole, and tie knots with the balloon on both sides of the face mask. You're going to want to tie it so then it'll be like really big, so you can, it'll be like really big, like, yeah. So then you can wear it on your face, and if you need to, you can make it smaller, which I probably will, but I'm gonna see if I need to make this smaller. It goes over my eyes, so if you need to, just test it, and if it goes over your eyes, just cut off some more of it and round the edges. So yeah, round the edges. If you like round the edges, if you need to cut off more, round the edges and then put it back on, and it'll be probably smaller. So yeah. And this was a super simple and easy craft, and you can wear it while you go to grocery stores and stuff. Use it as something else maybe if you don't want it to be a face mask. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you make a DIY no-sew face mask.